About to start doing some work on the building today. Got my little helper back there. Come on, bag it. She's doing good. She's learning. Hey, let me up. You're doing a good job. Come on, Nanny, go. So, we want to try to finally get the roaster in today, if we can. Might not be able to, you know. I got kids with me, so just might not be something we get to finish today. Run! Run! Better hustle up. Ain't no time like the double time. Come on. Truck it on up here. There you go. Come on. You ready? 1, 2, 3. You're welcome, Nanny. Yep, get the wrench. We're gonna need it. We're about to do some work. Come on. Let's go. I'm thinking we may have to go through the window. What you think? Take it on in there. I have to pull some more slack. Keep on pulling. Pull it. Be good. Hold up right there. I think that's enough, Nanny. I think that's gonna work. Hey, we're gonna go ahead and put these legs on the table real quick. And then we're gonna start drilling some holes in the wall. What you think? Let's do it. High five. You! Cutest! I think you're too close. Need your help. He's doing it. Bring me that screwdriver. Alright, bring that other one real quick. What's going on, everybody? Robert Pirie here, and today we are venting the roaster. Yeah, so anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. I lined my roaster up kind of where it's going to be along the wall. The roaster, the wall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and vent it now, and then I'm going to kind of bore it up around it. So I have my roaster on wheels, that way I can kind of roll it around whenever I need it. So I can unhook the vent real quick and kind of maneuver things clean out. I'm probably going to put some floor down here, but for right now I need to get to roasting. So first things first, priorities. So anyway, what I did was I kind of put the roaster where it needs to be, and then I just basically stenciled out some circles where I'm going to cut out. I got a little drill, probably about a 3/4 inch. Yeah, probably about a 3/4 inch drill. I'm going to drill holes. That's my kid out there. She get a little crazy. I'm going to drill some little holes, and I'm going to get a little jigsaw, and then we're going to pretty much cut the circle out. That's pretty much about it. Basically, I just pushed my roaster up against the wall, and I kind of stenciled out the circles to give me an idea of what it is. I'm going to cut it a tad bit bigger. That way I can put some caulk in there. Some caulk in there. Yeah, get it all sealed up real good. We'll be good to go. In ear protection. Alright, got our holes kind of cut out. What I usually do is I go back with a sharp pocket knife or something, or a razor blade, whatever you got, and I kind of just make it a little bit more circle, because I mean, I don't cut stuff with a jigsaw all the time, and sometimes it just don't look good. You know what I mean? Oh man, you know when you're cleaning and you find these like weird trinkets. This one's actually pretty old. This one was actually my great grandfather's, I think. So anyway, yeah, cleaned up, found this old sucker. What I'm kind of going to do with my coffee building, now let me just get into it. What I'm kind of going to do with my coffee building is make it into a little museum. Everybody needs their little type of space, and this is going to be mine, you know. That little old Uncle Sam back there, that's my great aunt. Yeah, we're just going to kind of make a home of like memorabilia. Anyway, I don't know what vlog this is. I think it's gonna be vlog 8. Vlog 8, we're gonna go with 8. Finally got the roaster vented in today. That's been a chore. It's been a while. It's been a long while. Finally, you know, finally got it. Also kind of wanted to go over like a little educational, motivational inspirational, but kind of on like the process that I've been kind of following. I get a few people on YouTube, they'll either find, you know, from YouTube, they'll hit me up on Facebook or email or Instagram, wherever. And then I get, you know, a few questions, and most of them pertain to basically, how's my process going? I'd have to say I'm moving very slowly for the basic reason that I don't want to get overextended on anything and not be able to like pay mortgage or, you know, something like that. So the biggest thing for me has been keeping this where it's not an obligation or like I have to get out coffee this week to pay for things. I don't even want to be nowhere near that. I don't have investors, I don't have employees, it's just all me. That's been the hardest thing right now, but you know, is what it is. I love these little ponies. They're 7 fluid ounces of just pure joy. Funny. Anyway, so now I was over here just editing, doing my vlog, kind of what you just seen, and I was like, dude, you didn't even film an outro. And I was like, well, got time now, might as well do it, you know what I mean? Finish what you start. Also just wanted to say thank y'all for all my subscribers. I'm like at 240 something now. I also got these new cool mugs in. Look at that. Let it focus on that. Yeah, how about pretty sick, huh? So anyway, we're gonna be offering these next year. Don't know exactly when I'm gonna be rolling them out yet. There's a few little tweaks I wanna do to it. But other than that, yeah. And as you can see, it's etched. Pretty sick, pretty sick. Anyway, so that'll be going out. We're gonna be doing some sample bags. What did I do with my sample bag? Got my sample bags. I'm gonna try to roll these out sometime in January, possibly February. Depends on how lazy I'm getting. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that. This is not sponsored by Miller High Life. They're not partaking in the festivities of tonight by paying me to show their little ponies on here. I love little ponies. Yeah, these are ponies. You know, I don't know why, but peace out, love y'all. Do all the things, chase your dreams, do all the fun, dreamer, creator, whatever.